Donald Trump depicting himself as Jesus Christ healing a man. And MAGA, reasonably, very upset, weirdly surprised. I'm not surprised. I'm sure you're not surprised, but they are saying things like, I can't believe I voted for you 3 times. I can. Because if the basis of this was your faith in Christ, then the serial adultery, the 2016 comment where he said he's never asked God for forgiveness because he didn't need to, would have been enough. Joking about assaulting women, demonizing a disabled man, mocking prisoners of war, policies that demonize and disenfranchise the poor, the racism, the convictions, the porn star, all would have been enough. Trump thinks he's a king. Those No Kings protests make a lot more sense now, don't they? This traitor, no, you betrayed your faith. And now it is so glaring, you can't look away and you're embarrassed. Because I don't think that all Trump supporters are racists and grapists or P3DO supporters or con men, but I do know that it wasn't a deal breaker for you.